Hello friends, this is Mukesh Zanka coming back to the IMP, and in today's lectures we'll see that what is the application of determinant, and there is one application in the determinant chapter for the syllabus, for this syllabus now, that is the area of the triangle ABC, where you have A is x1 y1, B is the vertices x2 y2, and the C has vertices x3 y3. The area is given by the determinant of 1 by 2 times of determinant of 1 1 1. x1 x2 x3 are the vertices, the first coordinate of the vertices, y1 y2 y3 are the second vertices, second coordinate of the vertices. As I know that area, as we know that area is always a positive quantity, so I have written point here. Since area is always positive, so we take the absolute value of the above determinant for the area. So what the value we'll get from the determinant here, we always take the absolute value. For example, if you get that a determinant value is minus 15, so I will take as 15 is my area. Here I have written a number. Find the area of the triangle ABC, where A, B, C is given to us. So simple, we have the formula. What we have the formula? Area is equal to 1 by 2 times of determinant of what? 1 1 1, and here x coordinate is -2, 3 and -1, and last y coordinate is here -3, 2, -8. Just I need to solve this value and find the value of the determinant. So I am going to solve this one. 1 into plus minus plus, 1 into -24 plus 2, -1 into 16 -3, and plus 1 into -4 plus 9. I am going to solve this one. So this is -24 -22 -13 plus 9 is 30, -30 by 2 is -15. So as I got the determinant value is -15, as area is always positive, so I will take the positive of this -15. So what's the area? I can write the answer as area of the triangle ABC is 15. Right? Next, moving to go ahead. We'll do a number again. What happens if the area is 0? What will happen? Area of the triangle ABC is 0. If the area is 0, that means A point is in within this line. Then I can say that the point A, B, C are collinear. So we have a result here. If the area of the triangle ABC is 0, then I can say that the point A, B, C are collinear. So here I can get a result to check that what is the condition that the 3 points are collinear. So I am writing this thing. So the 3 points, I am writing the 3 points. A is equal to x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3 are collinear if area of triangle ABC is 0. That means half times of determinant is 0, half is going to the right hand side. So we have determinant of 1 1 1, x1 x2 x3, y1 y2 y3 is equal to 0. So here I got a result to check that how can I check that 3 points are collinear or not. Here we have the results. Here we can get a 2 marks question in the examinations. So I am writing a question regarding this topic. Question is that here, find the value of k for which the points 5, 5, 3, 1 and 11, 7 are collinear. So you have to find the value of k for which these 3 points are collinear. Just I will take in the determinant form and find the value. Okay, let it be A point. Here I will A, this is B and C. A, B, C are collinear if area of triangle ABC is 0. That means here we have 1, 1, 1. What is the x coordinate here? 5, k, 11. What is the y coordinate here? 5, 1, 7 is equal to 0. By solving this equation, I can get the value of k here. So what is the value of k here? 1 into 7k minus 11 minus 1 into 35 minus 55 plus 1 into 5 minus 5k. That is equal to 0. Now I am going to solve this one. 7k minus 11 minus plus 20 plus 5 minus 5k is equal to 0. That is 2k. 2k minus 25 is 24, 14. 25, 25, 25 and that's 11. 25, 11, 14 minus 14. I get k is equal to minus 7 here. Okay, we have got the value of k is equal to minus 7. Simple thing, just we have to take the area of the triangle ABC is 0. Now moving to another one more question. Question is that find the value of k for which the points for which the vertices A 1 3 B 0 CK 0 vertices of triangle ABC such that area of ABC is 3 square unit. So it is given to that we have given here ABC and it is also given that area of the triangle ABC is 3 square unit. So we have the formula given. This is given to us area of triangle ABC is 3 square unit. Okay, what we have the formula here? 1 by 2 times of 1 1 1 1 0 k 3 0 0 is equal to, I will write it here, plus minus 3 because we are taking that area is positive. So here determinant may have the positive value or may have the negative value. That's why I have taken plus minus 3. So solving 2 will go there and this one is plus minus plus. I am going to solve along the row 3 because I have got maximum 0 in the row 3. So 3 into k minus 0, that is equal to plus minus 6. So 3k is equal to plus minus 6. I can say that k is equal to plus or minus 2. So here we get two values of k. Remind that here we have to write the plus minus 3 or otherwise we have got the negative marks here. Okay, this is about the application of the determinant. That is only one application of the determinant in their syllabus, that how can I find the area of the triangle ABC and how can I check that 3 points are collinear or not. Thank you, and in the next lecture we will see what is the system of linear equations. That will be the last topic of our chapter determinant. Thank you.